Hey guys, Scott here. Today I want to do a quick review of these WeatherTech side window deflectors here. I just got mine installed on a Mercedes Sprinter, so this is exactly what they're going to look like. Installing them is pretty easy. You just clean the window, and then once you've cleaned the window, they have this installation tool right here, and what you do is you roll the window all the way down to the bottom, and then you insert this all the way in this channel, and then you need to bend this. It's a solid acrylic and it'll snap right in there, and it's a good solid fit. Once it gets in there with the window down, then you take this channel tool and you go all along here. You want to go all along over and over. It recommends in the directions that you do this at least 20 times. And as you do this, what you're going to do is you're just going to simply raise the window up kind of inch by inch. And on the Sprinter, this one's automatic, so once it feels too much tension, it'll roll back down. And then I just keep kind of pulling out and expanding that channel all the way around. That way, once I'm done, it fits in there solid. And then they also recommend, I did this yesterday, that you don't roll the window down for 48 hours to allow that to sort of seed. So it's done that, and everything is looking good. And they were really pretty easy to install, and looking forward to putting them to use.